In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play solo chess on chess.com. Open your web browser and go to chess.com. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top navigation bar and click on More. When that menu appears, move your cursor to the section labeled Other and then select Solo Chess. That takes you directly into the solo chess area. Here's what this mode is all about. Solo chess is a logic-style puzzle based entirely on captures. Your goal is to capture a piece with every single move until only one piece remains on the board. There are no quiet moves allowed. Every move must take something. There's one crucial constraint to keep in mind. No individual piece may capture more than 2 times in a single puzzle. That means a rook, bishop, knight, queen, king, or pawn can make at most 2 capturing moves during that run. After a piece is captured twice, it can't capture again in that puzzle, so you'll need to switch to another piece to continue the chain. All normal chess movement and capture rules still apply. Pawns capture diagonally, knights jump, bishops move on diagonals, rooks go in straight lines, and queens combine rook and bishop movement. Make sure each capture you plan is legal in standard chess. A helpful way to think about solo chess is to plan backward from the end. Since you must finish with exactly one piece on the board, try to imagine which piece makes the final capture and where it ends up. Then ask yourself which piece must be captured right before that, and by which attacker. Keep the 2 capture limit in mind at every step. If you use up a piece's 2 captures too early, you might run out of legal ways to keep the capture-only chain going. Watch out for bottlenecks. For example, if you capture a piece that was controlling a key square, you might accidentally trap another piece so that it can't make its required capture later. Aim to clear lines for long-range pieces like bishops and rooks, and try to sequence your captures so that each move opens the path for the next one. It often helps to save a flexible piece, like a queen or knight, for later in the sequence so you have options near the end. Once you understand these rules and the flow, you're ready to dive in. Go to chess.com, click More, hover over Other, select Solo Chess, and start solving by capturing on every move until one piece remains, with no piece capturing more than twice. Enjoy the challenge and have fun sharpening your calculation and planning skills.